Okay.
How does the new publicity poster address the concerns raised in child?
Oh, the new publicity posters come with the revamp workshop. So to make it more enticing, because when we did the feedback after the workshop, we realized that the poster that we did for the original one wasn't attractive enough. Furthermore, the new publicity poster with its attractive images plus the fun, which is emotes from food, would attract more people to attend the workshop. In the case that it's not mandatory. Okay, done.
How do you ensure that workshop is not effective? How does it interest?
You mean the improved one or the original? Okay, firstly, we ensured that this workshop is not a didactic one because we ensured that this workshop is not a didactic one through incorporating various activities for students to take part in. For example, we get hard or required, right? An activity that will let students witness firsthand how prevalent how real this problem is. Thus, it will make it closer to heart. Make the problem closer to heart. And also, the real demonstration which of the workshop would grab the people's attention before the workshop starts. So, they would be more concerned about the problem.
Just don't forget. I got one. When you know, you said at the end of the sending some tips for them to regulate the online business. May I know what kind of tips you send? You can share about the kind of tips.
During the trial, we disseminated tips on how to guard your privacy on websites that commonly used like Facebook and also cannot. On Facebook. And also we also shared tips on how to make your website browser how to make your privacy controls on your website browser more safe. And also we shared that privacy controls are not to be completely dependent upon to guard one's online privacy. The best way is to regulate the amount of personal data online through self-discretion.
So because I really like now, so I think where do you plan to carry out the AIDS, the World AIDS inspired publicity study?
Thank you for your question. We intend to carry out the World AIDS Inspired campaign will actually be held on a more public scale than to the people of May, because we want to reach out to as many people as possible and we don't want it to be confined to the school. One reason why we don't want it to confine it to the school is because we feel that it projects a very unprofessional image, and so we want to implement it in a public scale. So now that we've established it, it will be implemented in a public area. We're thinking of more populated areas like Orchard Road and the likes, because these are where youth hang out a lot, and instead of private group, private groups are the youth. We're certain that Orchard Road will be a very viable place.
For the website, right, we'll be implementing it on the worldwide, right? So as you know, anyone can do it. So are you going to discriminate against? Are you going to be discriminating like between youth and others?
In your audience for the website, will you, because it's a target audience, is anybody can access it, so will you purposely set it such that only you can enter, or will you let it open to all?
Thank you for trying that. I'm sorry. So the website, yes, we acknowledge that the website was set up for the youth. However, we also have established from the beginning of the project that because the internet is so open, there's no way that you can actually discriminate against a certain group, and we feel that data privacy is everyone, just that youth are at the age where they can actually make the most amount of change, the most significant changes in terms of data privacy. So in that sense, anyone we will not be discriminating against any person of any age group. However, the content that we presented on our website will just be more appealing to the youth because of the way we have arranged the website in terms of the aesthetics and the way that the information is presented to be more catchy and in other words, more appealing.
Yeah, good. I just spoke everything. Okay, that's Melissa. So, actually, one of the questions that came out from this class is really everything. Hi. If the had put proposal right by MPA, in terms of right now online policy, what's the focus on? May I know?
The focus was mainly on cyberbullying, and there was also a case on chatting with strangers. You're not supposed to chat with strangers, that kind of thing. But the title of this is on children, so we don't really focus on too high levels of force. Because again, as the audience are children and it's a TV show for children, they do not really go into online data privacy.
What are the what are the other measures that Singapore government has implemented and how technically like us now?
Just say I don't know and skip.
I'm afraid that our project will only focus on these two current I know.
That's why you need to go and read out on a few more cover measures, I think. Like how you need to be on the data protection or.
Okay,
I have to mention data protection.
What is very good and what we do right now.
Just read out WR, that's the answer.
What does it mean for universities? Medium and high priority on background check. How should students make money?
Okay, university admission. When they have students who want to enter to the university, they give their applications, right? Then these people in the university, officials who are accept you in a sense, will go to various platforms of the online to check on you. Simply a Google search of your name, let's say, will give up to a lot of information regarding you in the internet. There'll be photos on you in the internet, and there'll be like your Facebook account, your Twitter account, your blogs, your anything that's related to you that can be found in Google search. And from here, they can even go branch out to more other searches about you. Then this is quite dangerous if you do not regulate your information. Let's say if you have a very how do I say that? Inappropriate. If you have inappropriate pictures of you, then this will really affect your reputation as a student, and they might not want to accept you in the university for fear of for fear of your character, in that sense. More, you might think that you have very tight controls of your Facebook stuff, Facebook profiles, but there are many data mining companies who will collect all your data, and they will even sell it to the university who might want to purchase it for 99 cents of your data. So in a sense, you have to be careful in what you regulate, and don't think that only privacy controls can protect you. Because university checks, they always check on your Facebook profile screens and even more than that to see how you are as a